Welcome to Hestia, a state-of-the-art electronic visit verification system designed to track home healthcare visits and the services provided. Hestia helps home care companies to offer unsurpassed quality of service by ensuring employees are at the right place at the right time while providing the right services. To view schedules, you will need to go to https://hestiacareview.com. The site is protected with 256-bit encryption, making your data secure. After entering your username and password, you will have access to the employee time and attendance report, a real-time view of your employees as they complete their schedules. Watch as your employees clock in and out from their client visits. Welcome to Hestia. Please enter your company passcode, followed by pound. Thank you. Please listen carefully to the list of tasks that you are to complete. Morning routine. You are now connected to Hestia. The time is 9:28 a.m. In the lower left-hand corner of the web portal, you will find a legend with a summary of all the different types of visits. The numbers in the summary are updated in real time as employees call Hestia. Records listed in black show visits in progress. Records listed in green show completed visits. Records listed in orange show visits to clients not registered in Hestia. Records listed in red show late clock-ins, late clock-outs, and missed visits. Records listed in blue show early clock-ins and early clock-outs. For more information on Hestia, please visit our website at www.eismangray.com.